If you're buying an SUV in the US or UK under $20,000 or £16,000, stop. Some of these could cost you thousands. Some budget SUVs look like a great deal, but turn into expensive mistakes within months. Which SUV under $20,000 will actually cost you thousands in repairs? And which one is a hidden gem? Stick around to see which SUV under $20,000 is the real winner. You won't want to miss this. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button so you never miss insider car tips that could save you big. Number 1. Ford Explorer. The Ford Explorer may catch your eye with its bold design and roomy interior, whether you're shopping in the USA or UK, but don't let looks fool you. This SUV is notorious for transmission and engine problems, which can cost anywhere from $3,000 to $5,000 in the US, or £2,400 to £4,000 in the UK to repair. Mechanics often warn that these issues start showing up within the first few years, leaving owners frustrated and stuck with expensive bills. Imagine buying it thinking you got a deal, only to spend thousands more fixing it. Sleek SUV driving, warning lights on dashboard, mechanic shaking head. Hit like if this helps you avoid costly mistakes. Next, an off-road favorite hides even bigger repair surprises. Number 2. Jeep Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee is a favorite among off-road enthusiasts in both the USA and UK, thanks to its rugged design and strong performance. But beneath the excitement, this SUV hides serious electrical and brake issues. Owners report situations where the vehicle refuses to start, sometimes leaving them stranded in the worst possible moments. The mechanics say these problems are unpredictable and expensive to fix, making it a risky choice for buyers on a budget. Off-road driving, dashboard warning lights blinking, frustrated owner trying to start the car. Comment below if you've ever had a Jeep nightmare. Coming up, an affordable SUV that could drain your wallet faster than you expect. Number 3. Toyota RAV4. The Toyota RAV4 has long been a favorite for city and family drivers in the USA and UK, thanks to its reliability and fuel efficiency. But here's the catch. Older models, especially those under $20,000/16,000, are known for engine and hybrid battery issues that can cost thousands to repair. Many owners report sudden battery failures or engine problems shortly after purchase, turning what seemed like a safe investment into a costly headache. City driving, on hybrid dashboard warning lights, mechanic inspecting engine carefully. Subscribe now for insider tips that save you money. Next, a popular SUV with hidden CVT transmission problems you need to know about. Number 4. Nissan Rogue. The Nissan Rogue is a popular choice for families and daily commuters in both the USA and UK, thanks to its comfortable ride and modern features. But don't be fooled by its affordability. Older or under $20,000/16,000, models often suffer from CVT transmission failures, which can cost anywhere from $4,000 to $5,000/3,200 to £4,000 to fix. Owners report sudden transmission jerks, slipping gears, and expensive repairs that appear sooner than expected. SUV driving in traffic, repair shop footage, frustrated owner checking dashboard warning lights. Smash like and share to save friends from costly repairs. Up next, a widely loved SUV mechanics consistently warn about. Number 5. Chevrolet Equinox. The Chevrolet Equinox is praised for comfort and affordability in the USA and UK, but buyers should be cautious. Many older or budget models are plagued with engine and electrical problems, which can quickly turn a seemingly good deal into a costly headache. Some model years are more reliable than others, but without careful research, you could end up spending thousands on unexpected repairs. Dealership shot, SUV driving through city streets, mechanic inspecting engine. Subscribe for tips on the model years that actually save money. Next, the Mazda CX-5 surprise many buyers overlook. Number 6. Honda CR-V. The Honda CR-V is known for reliability, fuel efficiency, ease and family-friendly features in both the USA and UK. But even trusted brands have pitfalls. Certain model years under $20,000/16,000 pounds are reported to have transmission problems, which can lead to costly repairs and frustrating breakdowns. Mechanics warn that these issues may appear unexpectedly, turning what seems like a safe purchase into a budget drain. SUV driving on city streets, dashboard warning lights, mechanic inspecting transmission. Hit subscribe and turn on notifications. You don't want to miss the hidden gem reveal coming next. Number 7. Mazda CX-5. The Mazda CX-5 is the SUV every budget-conscious buyer in the USA and UK dreams of. Unlike the others on our list, it's reliable, low maintenance, and mechanics rarely complain. Owners enjoy smooth rides, minimal repairs, and peace of mind knowing their SUV won't drain their wallet. Whether commuting, running errands, or taking weekend trips, the CX-5 delivers performance without surprise costs. SUV driving smoothly on city streets, happy owner smiling, dealership exterior. Subscribe now for more hidden gem recommendations. This SUV truly saves you money and avoids headaches. Don't miss it. Here's your full list for USA and UK buyers. Ford Explorer. Avoid expensive repairs. Jeep Grand Cherokee. Electrical and brake issues. Toyota RAV4. Engine and hybrid battery risks. Nissan Rogue. CVT failures. Chevrolet Equinox. Engine/electrical problems. Honda CR-V. Transmission surprises. Mazda CX-5. The hidden gem. Do your homework, check model years, and make a smart choice. If this video saved you money, like, share, and subscribe. We've got more car buying secrets coming every week. Don't miss them.